tells me don't go home. So I run until my feet get out. I jump a little higher to feel the ground. Every shadow of every girl, every time I turn around I swear it's her. Second guess my every move, hold my breath in case I run into you. Oh, I just can't look, I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. And sometimes I find I switch up and I start to drive the streets that no longer are my own. I keep driving your way home. Never cross the park from me in a place that steals a tiptoe view of the sea. My sister came back home today. Today I packed my bag and went away. So I found a room in a leafy street with a stranger and a traveler who both welcomed me. I try and remember my new way home, but habit sometimes steers me down your road. Oh, I just can't love, I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. Sometimes I find I switch up and I start to drive the streets that no longer are my own. I keep driving your way home. The day breaks slowly and I know I can't be this lonely for that long. Got to grow up, show me how it's done. 'Cause baby, I've been trying with no luck. Oh, just can't love, I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. Sometimes I find I switch off and I start to drive streets that no longer are my own. Oh, I just can't look, I can't bear the thought of seeing you with someone new. Oh, I swear I'm almost over you. Sometimes I find I switch off and I start to drive streets that no longer are my own. I keep driving your way home. Before the sun appears, before the world has even stirred, let's get out of here. We don't need to hurry, the road ahead is clear. Let's follow the coast as far as it goes, or until we disappear. That gives me an idea. Let's get lost together, Let's go chase that postcard. Wish you were here, weather. Let's get lost together. Cause if we don't, I know that I won't even last another year.